Wix Studio Design Kits tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use design kits in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it. And then you will be in that website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. So what is design kits? It's basically a type of design that you can use in your website. It could be a character, a template, a shapes, everything. It's like a design, every design that available in the website editor. So to access that, you can click or add new section. You can click add new section here, and then you can click add an element here. And in the element dashboard, as you can see, there is design kits here. You can click on it, and as you can see, there are a lot of options here. There is gradient tag, metallic digital, and others. So as you can see, if you click gradient tag, this is like a gradient theme. There is a design that contains a gradient theme. So as you can see, there is a gradient icon here. There is gradient background here. You can use whatever you want. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one. You can drag and drop. So this is the design. So basically it's entire section. So you can modify here, you know, can change the text. You can change the background here. So let's try another design, maybe metallic. Maybe you need this one. This is this type like a 3D animation. Can drag and drop maybe here. And as you can see, this is the template of the section. So you can change the text here. You can customize it and also the images. So it's like 3D animation, I think. So let's try it. Maybe it will. Where is the 3D? See, there is a 3D animation here. So you can customize the images. So let's edit again. And then you can play around and explore more. You can, try everything here. There is a lot of option here. You can choose whatever you want. And that fits to your website. So I think that's it, how to use design kits in your website. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.